Velocitii Review. Stop, don't buy Velocitii before you see this. Imagine making $231 every day without the need to have a mailing list to get started or any experience. And doing it in just 20 minutes a day. That's exactly what you'll learn how to do when you pick up Velocitii. Learn the same system that made them $231 per day. Jason is exposing a top secret formula for making money online that is super easy. Forget about wasting your time with the same rehashed garbage that you're sick and tired of seeing. When you pick this up, you'll be able to start getting results in just 30 minutes/day. Are you tired of not making any money online? One expert marketer has just revealed a secret money machine that made them $231 per day in cold hard cash working just 20 minutes a day. It's an extremely unique method that is based on a very real case study. Discover their secret money sniper here. Their method will work for anyone, even with no need to have a mailing list to get started, no waiting, start making money today, no experience necessary, in fact it's newbie friendly. If you want to put an end to the struggling, I highly recommend you pick this up now and start getting results in just 30 minutes a day. Click the link in the description below for instant access to Velocitii and start making money today. And as always, click on the logo in the bottom right corner to subscribe to my channel.